I've found many people who say, I have created content, a video of mine has gone viral, I have a good following, but how do I make money from TikTok, from YouTube, from LinkedIn, from Facebook? Even you, I want to tell you today, that does not have a big following on social media, you can actually monetize your account. And I'm going to tell you 3 different ways that ordinarily people monetize their accounts, and then I'll tell you the unique, most formidable, most durable, most sense-making way to monetize your account. Now, number 1 is what we call platform programs. Now, platform programs, or what I call platform programs, is when you're doing content, let's say on YouTube. Recently, I was monetized on YouTube. And every time a video goes viral, even when it doesn't go viral, they will show you that you've earned some dollars from that video, from the viewership. Or TikTok, unfortunately for you, if you're in Africa, TikTok won't pay you except if there are subscriptions or gifts. So platform programs can help you make money from your social media accounts. But usually most of these have criteria. There's a following you should have. There's a viewership you should have. There are activities you should perform on their platforms. And you need to first qualify. But even if you did, it may not make you guaranteed money even 10 years from now. YouTube, I'm sure maybe it will. But that would mean you have to continually make content and keep up. So it is not viable, but it is a good way of making passive income. For a person who wants to build real wealth, I don't think it is the most viable option. The second option is what we call sponsorships. Now, this usually comes from a concept we call influencer marketing. Can you influence your following? Can you influence your viewers to take up a particular service by another person, and then you are paid a commission? Now, let me tell you, it's a little bit different from affiliate marketing, but I'm going to come to it. Let me tell you, I have a friend of mine who has created a platform where influencers, micro or macro, meaning whether you're small or you're big, you have a big following or not, but sometimes you get views, can get gigs without looking for them. All you have to do is register on that platform, and when the gigs come, the people looking for people to influence on their behalf will reach out to you. If you're an influencer, just look for my number and tell me, I'll forward you the details. But if you're a business that want to sponsor, it doesn't matter whether you want influencers that are big in this country and in East Africa around, or there are small accounts, just reach out, I'll give you details. So that is one way, the second way of making money. The third way is what we call affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, you get a link of a particular product, you register to the affiliate program of that product. It could be on Amazon, it could be in any part of the country. If they have affiliate programs, if you want details on how to register for affiliate programs, just put it in the comments and I'll make a video about it. Now, these affiliate programs, the moment someone clicks that link and they buy, automatically a commission is given to you. Someone will ask me, what's the difference between influencer marketing and affiliate marketing? Almost the same, but here's the thing. With influencer marketing, it is usually someone endorses a product. With affiliate marketing, someone talks about a product, recommends a product, and they're not necessarily promoting. They don't even have to associate with that brand. With influencer marketing, you will find that you may have only one product that you recommend, that you influence people towards. With affiliate marketing, I can have competitors. I can promote for Sony, I can promote for Samsung, and promote for Apple at the same time when they all are in the same space, same business. To me, those are very good ways of making money. But the most viable, which has sustained me since I left public service, is what I call knowledge-based business. Create your own product. There's something people always ask you about. There's something people think you're knowledgeable about. There's something people think you figured out more than anyone else. And there's someone who is willing to pay you to teach them how to do it. You just don't know. There's someone who's willing to give you their child to teach them how to do it. There's someone who wants to read about how you did it. So it could be different formats of product, what I call communication products. It could be a book, it could be a coaching program, it could be a digital course, it could be a challenge, it could be a guide that someone is willing to pay for. Now, the more you create awareness, let me actually give you something that is interesting. There are products that are already designed that you can buy and get part of their ownership, like you get full ownership, you just rebrand them to you. For example, there are people who sell books about how to start an account, how to start out in social media, how to go viral, and how to sell on social media. Now, there are programs where you can buy those products, put them on your account. The moment you buy it, you get a license. Put it on your account, and then they will pay you every time someone wants to buy it. You didn't create it, you bought it, bought its license, and sold it. That is partnership or licensing. So if you can't create your own product, get someone else you can do a product with, you can do a business with. But I've been teaching people how to monetize their genius, especially if you have a challenge you've overcome more than another person, better than another person, faster than another person. If you have, let me give you how this is unique. There's a person who was telling me, man, I don't have anything to do. He's an American. Okay, he's a Ugandan who lives in the US. And then I told him, have you found people wondering how to get a visa to the United States, wondering how to get a job, wondering how to shift to the United States? He was like, many, and I've helped some. And I was like, that is a problem. People desire solution. So if you can just craft that which you know into a product, trust me, people will pay you $10, $50, $100, $300, $1,000, depending on how much they need that product. So I've been telling you, I teach people how to turn their knowledge into a business model. And if you want a free one-on-one, to find out whether you have a monetizable genius, to find out whether you have something you can make money from, all you have to do, click the CTA here that says interested, or go in the description if you're on YouTube and you find a link. Register, book your free session. Otherwise, if you found this video in any way helpful, share the video, comment with a question, and share it with a friend. See you in the next video.